In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to freeze your Chime physical card. Whether you've misplaced your card or simply want to temporarily block transactions for security reasons, freezing your card is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device and log into your account. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure to do so from your device's app store and have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the app's home screen. Here, you'll want to look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a small gear symbol. Tap on that to proceed. After accessing the settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Cards. This is where you'll manage various card settings, including the ability to freeze and unfreeze your physical card. Tap on the option that says Manage Physical Card to continue. Now, you should see the option labeled Freeze Card. This is the feature that allows you to block all transactions on your physical card instantly. To activate it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. When you do this, your card will be frozen immediately, meaning any attempts to use it for purchases or withdrawals will be declined. This is a great way to protect your finances if you suspect your card has been compromised or if you've simply misplaced it and want to ensure it's not used by someone else. If at any point you want to unfreeze your card, perhaps after finding it or resolving any security concerns, you can easily do so. Just head back to the same Manage Physical Card section in the app and toggle the freeze card option to the off position. This will reactivate your card, allowing you to use it for transactions once again. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you've learned how to freeze and unfreeze your Chime physical card directly from the app. It's a quick and effective way to manage the security of your card with just a few taps. Remember, this feature is there to help you maintain control over your finances and provide peace of mind. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.